It's time now to rethink and thought about your passion and give an importance to it. Well, it's time now to rethink and soar high. I'm Aditi Agarwal, founder at Soar to High. We at Soar to High put forward the idea, talent, passion, and work of individuals and group into limelight. Soar to High is a platform for people who are doing something out of their passion. Also, there are many who have a lot of talent which does not come out due to lack of resources or encouragement. So, through Soar to High, we want to give a platform to one and all who want to soar really high. Everyone has a passion, but it is not easy to make business out of it. Today, we have with us someone who has started making best out of waste and thereafter created numerous decoratives and useful stuffs and also created a business of her own. So let's hear it from Hiral about her journey. A very warm welcome, Hiral, owner designer at Hiral Handicrafts.
Hi, Aditi. Hello, everyone. So my name is Hiral Pandya, and I'm based at Mumbai. And as Aditi has given a very good introduction about me, so I'm a manufacturer and the trader in a field of handicrafts. So my specialization is into home and a wedding decoration stuff.
Okay.
So which keeps me going, which keeps me boosting every day. I create a stuff, new stuff every day, uh, uh, with a lot of creative things and a lot of creativity involves into it.
Hmm.
So yes, I just love what I'm doing it. That's what is the main thing which I like to tell you in the beginning itself. One should definitely involve your passion, involve your job into a passion, and create a business. That's a wonderful thing in life. One must do.
Yes, yes. So Hiral, tell us from where did you start your professional journey? Like just now I came to know that you are a teacher also. Then how do you manage so many things?
That's a very interesting question. I ask myself this thing every time when it comes to me. But yes, Aditi, it's a very good question. Like when I have started, okay, let me first answer to your question how I've started this.
Yeah.
So it was the year 2014. I was into a very disturbed state of mind due to some
Okay.
problems in my life. And that was for many years, which was on and on. And then suddenly I just one day I think somewhere I watched on TV, or I think on one of the channel, I don't know. And I started with the best from best, creating the stuff for around couple of days to
Okay.
divert my mind, to to
Mhm.
just to focus on some other thing. And I somehow I managed successfully doing so. And after that, I think after 2 to 3 months of a time, one of my friend's mom came and just she saw the stuff what I was doing. So she suggested, why don't you have a good amount of a creativity into you, so why don't you create your own business of this same thing. And she has definitely, there were 2 3 people who has guided me. I have also learned from somewhere. Just 4 to 5 things I've learned. For example, Toran, that is exclusive
Hmm.
Bandhanwas, door Torans, Rangolis, and many such creative stuff. So that I've
Okay.
learned, and just you won't believe that was my year 2015. It was my just the big first step towards this. And in next year, I think in 2016, I immediately I got very good orders from from abroad. So
Oh
that was
wow.
my turning point whereby I got a confidence. Yes. And in fact, you won't believe that was my first hit order, whereby she ordered me 2 to 3 orders together. The amount was a lakh.
Oh,
So that was a
big
lakh
boost.
amount of order. The turnover was. So that was something, like, I mean, in the first go only, I got such a big order. So it was motivating me for sure. I was excited. I was a bit nervous at the same time. But
Hmm.
yes, it was an opportunity which I grabbed. And then from that onwards, like, I did not stop myself. Like, I mean, I keep on creating a new product. I keep on creating a new categories, a lot of designs every day, mix and match. So all
Hmm.
these, all these give me a lot of happiness. Also, it increases my confidence, whereby when I have to like, okay, if I have to say, when I started, so it was like someone was asking me, what do you do? I was not
Yeah.
so confident, to tell, okay, I have a business. But
Yeah.
now, if you ask me, okay, I can confidently say, yes, I have a business of handicrafts. So that confidence is something which is very important. It's not just to earn a money or to get a
Yeah.
good name and fame in the market, but at the same time to develop the confidence, and to same thing, if you can spread it across the people, that's a wonderful thing.
Yes. Yes. So it's a amazing
Yeah,
journey, I
and
guess.
one more thing, you asked me that how did I manage all the things. In fact,
Hmm.
I really believe that if God could give 48 hours in spite of 24 hours, it would be really great for each and everyone. So, see, like, I mean, I believe, see, now today I have to meet you. Okay, so I have decided, okay, this much time I'm allotting to this, and I have to be one minded, one focus minded that point
Hmm.
of time, that nothing else. It is this, so this only. So when you devote your 100%, okay, to
Hmm.
one particular activity, it definitely give you a success, I believe. Put your 100% to it. If you, as I told you, I am a yoga student. Okay, I'm a yoga
Yeah.
student. So we have learned something, karma yoga. Now, yoga is something what it tells the same thing, that you have to give 100% and don't expect so much. Don't expect the fruits out of it.
Hmm. Hmm.
Keep it on the, do your best, leave the rest. That's what they say. And this is how one should also follow this philosophy of a life. Every positive thing, and every positive thing you should welcome. Keep the negative attitude, thoughts, everything, people, your
Hmm.
companies, everything away. That will definitely lead to a nice
Success.
place.
Yeah. Satisfaction also you get only if you put your 100%.
Definitely, of course, yes.
Yeah.
Your mental satisfaction speaks everything.
Hmm. So what was the first few things you made from where you started?
Okay, first few thing I had started with the very first thing was a puja thali,
Oh.
puja platter. It was. I would like to show you that my few of stuff to you later. So, or if you grant me permission, I can show you now
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah. Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'll show you my first product which I've created long back. That was a puja thali. Okay,
Okay.
so just hold on, I'll just show it to you.
Yeah.
Okay, hope the video is clear.
Yes. Yes. Very much.
Can you see this?
Yeah. So it is all
All right,
stone, I
so this
think.
is a yes, these are all stone based. So it is sticked. Like first, we have to do the oil paint on this thali.
Okay.
Okay, and after that, the first we have to design the design with the pen or anything. First, you
Okay.
have to make the design so that it should be a proportionate everywhere.
Everywhere. Yes.
Okay, and then we have to stick it with a some adhesive which is very strong.
Hmm.
And before that, yeah, the oil paint. And these are the two artists along with this thali.
Hmm.
And if you can see, the size of this thali is around 11.5 inches. So you can use it as a I mean, I do sell as a karwa chauth thali also.
Okay.
And there are lot many designs in this particular thali. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
And along with this, also there is some
Nariyal.
traditional in our Hinduism, we often use in a puja, that is nariyal, coconut.
Yeah.
So this
Coconut.
is a decorative coconut.
Hmm.
It's
Inside
also
what it
made up
is?
of all kundans. Sorry.
Inside what it is?
See, inside there are two things. One is we can use it as a wood coconut, not the real one. Because what
Okay.
happens if we use the real one in this? So when the
Yeah.
real one will become damaged, no, so there is no point. So there are two
Hmm.
things. One is wood, and another is hard plastic. So inside
Okay.
there's a hard plastic.
Okay.
Okay, and this is one of the very this again good for the wedding and all
Wedding and
people
all.
use this. If you can
Yeah.
see,
And it is so
yes.
beautiful and so neat.
Yeah, this is like, if you see, these are leaves, okay? Five
Hmm.
leaves are there. and जो वो लड़की लोग ये you know
They
यहाँ
put
सिर
it
पे
on the
रखते हैं,
sir. On the
head.
head.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So this, this particular, if you can see this nariyal, it is a cover. It is not basically. So I'll just show you
Mm-hmm.
how it is. Just a second. Just have to.
It will open, I think.
Yeah, it will open like this. Okay. Now can you see? See,
Yeah.
this is how it is.
Oh, wow.
So inside then you have to put the coconut.
Okay. Good idea.
So anytime if the coconut, yeah, coconut get damaged or something spoiled, then you just have to throw it away. So it's a
Mm-hmm.
long lasting
Okay.
like this, yeah.
Beautiful design.
And then okay, so I have this is like again I have made a rakhi plater.
Okay.
So in between what you can see is a mirror,
Hmm.
and then uh, surrounding there's a design of pearl and again kundan and this acrylic flowers and all,
Yeah.
and the base is like this. If you can see, this is a base, MDF wood it is called.
Okay.
So this is one product, and this is again very good. If you can see, this is kumkum platter. Okay, this
Okay.
is very good when you have to, give a small gifts in a get together or kitty parties or in bhajan
Yeah.
or ऐसा कुछ होता है. So that time, people want something very minimal and minimal budget में अच्छा कुछ चाहिए होता है. So
Ha.
that time this is useful.
Very, very.
And here it comes my one of the running product of this COVID 2020, I would say, that is mala.
Mala, because
Yeah.
original
So
nobody
mala,
wants
this
to take.
is, sorry.
Original, like fresh flowers. No, everybody is
Yeah,
avoiding
no,
at
these
this
are not
time.
fresh flowers. These are artificial velvet
Artificial.
flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and these are the glass stone kundan. So if you
Okay.
can see in the close up view, so you can
Mm-hmm.
see it better.
Yeah.
And diamond balls. So
Hmm.
this particular again you can use it, like on the god frame or a wedding, in a wedding also for the
Yeah.
groom and bride, and then even on the frames at our home. So like
Mm-hmm.
that, the people are ordering to me for this particular product.
Okay.
And then there's also one more thing. Uh, I don't know if what you
Yeah.
call, but we call as a supri.
Yeah. Okay.
So to keep the सब rice chawal wedding के time पे रखने के
हाँ
लिए जो चाहिए होता है, for
हाँ हाँ.
that it is. This is also made up of kundan and all,
Okay.
and there's a behind oil paint.
Okay.
This,
Wow. Beautiful.
and this is something, if you can guess what it could be.
I don't know.
Okay, that's why I just asked you. I said let
Yeah.
me ask if you can. So this is like, a hair bun.
Okay.
Uh,
So there's a clip
to
behind?
tie it on the hair.
Okay.
Sorry.
There's a clip behind?
Yes, there is see, I'll show you if you can see it because it's in a black color.
Okay. Yes.
Can you see this net?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So you just have to tie it. That's it. You just have to bow your hair, and after that, you can just insert this. There is nothing hook or anything. So it's
Okay.
very easy again.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope now you got
Yeah,
it, hair bun.
yeah. Different concept.
Yeah, different thing and different concept.
Yeah.
And this is here it comes. This one is we call urli. When like in Diwali and all, we need to put floral rangoli or a floral
Yeah.
pot or something, water pot. So
Yeah,
inside
for
this,
that.
fill up with the water and then put the flowers. It looks amazing.
Yeah, and that floating
Also
candles
in the
and all.
surrounding also you can, yeah, and surrounding also you can, light up, yeah, as you said, light up the candles or the diyas and all. It looks
Yeah.
very nice and very beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have one more thing that we have discussed that day, sorry,
Yeah,
today
mat.
morning,
Yeah.
mat,
Mat.
jute
Yeah.
mat. So this is the jute robe basically. Okay, and made up on this canvas. This is a waterproof canvas. So even if you
Okay.
want to put it on the dining table where there's a little bit water or something, so that is okay. So it doesn't spoil. And
Okay.
these are called peonies. These are the flowers. So
Flowers.
these are called peonies, and yeah, to attach onto this. So this is
Okay.
around 15 inches diameter, big mat.
Okay. Good.
So
Good.
in this, there are small coasters also comes to put the tea or glass or something.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the whole of just the few samples I've just
Um,
shown you, which yeah, just a brief idea. It's not, I would say,
limited to this.
my
Yeah,
whole
I saw.
collection.
Yeah, your collection is huge.
Thank you so much, Aditi.
Yeah. So I thought of asking you next that what items you're making. So you have shown it very well.
Thanks, thanks.
Yeah. So what are your future plans, Hiral?
Uh, well, see now, I definitely I will not cut down this my business for sure. Which is my, I would say, which is my strength and source of income. So if you ask me like down the line 2 to 3 years or something, want to grow more in the terms of number of clients, then want to grow more internationally. Right now I do supply to US, and I recently I had a client from Singapore and Nepal also. But
Okay.
then want to definitely grow more in terms of internationally.
Hmm.
And yeah, the success is not just to get the revenue, but the life should be stable with the earning some amount of money, which whereby you can utilize those for a good luxurious life. You can invest somewhere, so the balancing is very important. That's what is
Hmm.
my main goal is. So there is no
Yeah.
particular, if you ask me that Hiral, what how much you want to earn. So I wouldn't say that I want to earn 50,000 per month or a lakh per month or something like that. It varies, depends on season to season also, and
Hmm.
depends. So ultimate goal is that happiness. It should create a good satisfaction and happiness whatever you
Yeah.
do. So
You should be happy of what you are doing. So that is
correct,
very important.
absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah.
And at the same time you should able to motivate others very well what
Yes.
you're doing, unless and until if you are not satisfied, what you are going to put to across to other people.
Yes. And your story will definitely inspire a lot, I guess.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So, Hiral, it was great knowing you, knowing what you are doing, and all the best from So to High. We wish you lots of luck.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Thank you so much. God bless
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Okay, Hiral.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.